Today we're getting rid of our old broken down couch and replacing it with this unique couch and ottoman combo from SMILESUN. And it all comes shipped to your door, ready to convert your space too. Open up the box, and inside you can find your instructions. And then a bunch of different parts. Lay them all out so you can see everything and know what's what. To get started, grab your two armrests and flip them over to see the bottom. Grab your legs and nut locks and screw the legs into the bottom. Then, roughly lay out the two armrests where the edges of the couch will be. The edges have slots that connect together easily, so slide the bigger front piece and the grooves of the armrest to hold the two sides together. Then slide the smaller back piece into the grooves of the armrest on the other side. Make sure they're snug, and then rest in your bottom piece. It clicks right in and it's almost ready to go. But first, we're going to flip it over and screw a support leg in the middle. After that's secure, rest the couch on the ground again. Then grab your backrest and slide that into the slots. Now it's time to apply the teddy velvet fabric. Go along the back side and velcro the velvet to the bottom until it's smooth. And then take the other fabric piece and apply that along the front and secure it to the bottom as well. And now it's time for the cushions. These will take a couple days to fully expand, so let's cut them open and get to expanding. I laid the cushions out where they're going to be, and set them out to finish inflating. I put the included throw pillows on the couch, as well as our own decorative pillows and blanket, and it looks so inviting. I sat on it for a second and it feels great as well. So much support. But we're going to let the cushions fully expand and begin setting up our ottoman. Cut open the box and lay everything out. Grab your legs and nut locks and twist to lock them into place on the bottom of the ottoman. Flip it back over and grab your cushion. Cut it open and let it start expanding. Give it a fluff and wait for it to inflate. And while I was waiting, our cat squeezed underneath to inspect my handiwork. She now has her own clubhouse and she's so happy. And me? I can't wait to feel the cats rustling below the couch. Anyway, on the bottom of the cushion is a strip of fabric covering a Velcro strip. Remove that and reapply the cushion. The cushion sticks to the ottoman and it's ready to go. We gave the couch and ottoman a couple days to fully inflate, got rid of our old couch, and arranged our new living room setup. The ottoman can move freely and can be placed wherever you want. Us? We put it at the end of the couch and made a little chaise lounge area. We also set up a SMILESUN armchair to match the room, but that's for another video. For now, let's check out the finished couch and ottoman. As I mentioned before, this couch has great support and comfy cushions. I love taking naps on the couch, and our old couch was so broken down that I'd wake up in an hour or two in pain ready to get up. With this couch, my naps have turned into full night sleeps, and that's a problem. It's too comfy. In fact, the teddy fabric liner feels great to rest against. It's rather unique for a couch. I've never seen a couch with material like it, but it feels so much better than sticking to leather or the rough fabric on our old couch. It's like you're being wrapped up with a blanket, but it's your couch. The ottoman is really comfy too, and it's so nice being able to freely move it around. When we have guests, we can slide it wherever we want and give more seating. The only downside with this couch and ottoman combo is that our dogs and cats love it just as much. So to protect the pretty white fabric, we keep it covered when we're not using it. But I don't mind. The colorful blanket against the white couch brings a pop of color to the room, and looks really nice in my opinion. So if you're looking for a new couch and don't have a way to get it to your door, perhaps this one might just be for you. It comes shipped right to you and takes little time to set up. Not to mention, it feels great. So until next time, I'm off to go take another nap. That's probably gonna turn into another full night's rest. See ya!